Alright, so looks like Razer's getting ready to drop a refreshed version of the DeathAdder V3 Pro, and yep, it might be called the DeathAdder V4 Pro. The first leaked pics just popped up online thanks to Hitoshi1107 on X, and at first glance it looks almost identical to the V3 Pro, but when you dig in, there are some pretty interesting tweaks going on. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you overlay the leaked V4 Pro image on top of the V3 Pro, you'll notice a subtle but sharper curve along the body. It's subtle, but if you've got picky hands like most FPS players, you'll probably feel it the second you grip it. Could mean better ergonomics, smoother hand placement, maybe even comfier long sessions. The side buttons, totally redesigned. They're a bit smaller, more rounded, and spaced out more than before. Might sound minor, but if you ever accidentally hit both buttons mid-fight, this could be a blessing. From the side, the shape still screams DeathAdder, so longtime fans won't feel like they're holding a spaceship. But the PTFE feet on the bottom, they're chunkier, more rounded, and look like they're made for smoother glides like skating on ice. Now the wildest change is the 2.4 GHz receiver. The old one had that angular trapezoid vibe, but this new one, way sleeker. It's got 3 little indicator lights on the front, possibly for signal, battery, or who knows. The big rumor, it might double as a dock. That would be a huge win. One thing we're all hoping Razer upgrades, that scroll wheel. It's been a sore spot in past versions. People are begging for a more durable, consistent feel, maybe even a dust-proof encoder this time around. And hey, the V3 Pro is already light, but if they manage to shave off a few more grams, even better. Anyway, those are the early vibes from the leaks. What do you think? Worth the upgrade or just a fancy refresh? Drop your thoughts below and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.